Welcome to Leo 3D Jewelry. Today, I'll share the 3D design and render of the Pac-Man bracelet using the auto trace. Switch to picture and import picture. Modifying threshold will identify curves based on different colors. Import picture again, this time recognizing the eye part. Increase the value to generate the curves for the eyes. We keep a ghost, resize it. Using Scale 3D for determine the final model size. My client wants it to be around 8 mm. Using surface from planar curves. Using select last created object and extrude surface to both sides. Selecting the eyes curves using surface from planar curves. Using the extrude surface and extend down 0.5 mm. Pac-Man and pellets are the same material, so on the same layer. The ghost and its pupils are glossy, while its scara are frosted. So I'll use 2 layers to differentiate them. I also have a pixel-style picture. Try to import it. In the same way, identify the shape first, then the eyes. Small values recognize shapes, large values recognize eyes. Keep what we need and put it together. It is also possible to load the image again and adjust the thresholds. Using Scale 3D for determine the final model size. Enter -1 when zooming to flip the model. Using surface from planar curves. Using the split the surface. Select the surfaces and extrude surface to both sides. Using the extrude surface and extend down 0.5 mm. Adjust their position and number according to preference. Assign layers according to materials. If the ghosts have different materials, assign them separate layers. Don't forget to give the layer to the recess. Repeat the previous step. Next, make the connecting grommets and link them with chain rings. Using the circle, diameter is 1.2 mm. Using the pipe diameter is 0.4 millimeters. Copy the ring and rotate 90 degrees. Copy again and move the pellet. Use them as bridges to link models together. Move the ghost and contact with a ring. Using the array linear, extend the chain. Delete this and move the Pac-Man. Repeat the operation to cope the chain and contact with the model. Add rings on both sides. Using simple curve, draw curve. Open grasshopper. Find regular chain from workbox. Grab curve and adjust lengths. When the effect matches, bake it. Cope and mirror the chain. Keep an eye out for sensible locations. Select chains and assign layers. Done. We can import to Keyshot for rendering. Use Bridge tool. Send a model to Keyshot. Waiting for import. Happy hour for giving material. Assign the metals first, and I hope they're matte, scrub, and knurled. Selection of metals is required. Color and texture can be freely matched. Metal isn't the only option. Plastic is fine. Add ground plane and asphalt material. Turn on GPU mode. The model disappears using the retessellate. This value determines the accuracy of the model. Adjust radius and rounded edges. Find an HDRI from environments and adjust the light angle. Adjust the refractive index of asphalt. Bump is too visible. Adjust it. Perspective is wrong. Adjust the perspective. Adjust the tilt and rotation. Add pin and adjust fall-off brighten up scenes in jewelry. That's great. Change the bump size of the knurled. The background in the game is black. We can adjust it a bit. Bump is too visible. Adjust it. Adjust the image. Adjust according to the screen, not suitable for fixed values. Don't worry about making a mistake. My values are different every time. Be yourself. Maybe what I like isn't what you want. There's no way to satisfy everyone's favorites. We can only try to satisfy as many as possible. Let the model shine through bloom. When I adjusted my perspective, they shone already beautifully. Add a orbit animation. We can adjust the degree of rotation. This sharing is over. Thank you for watching.